All right. So here we are again on the hunt. On the hunt for those slabs of water we call waves. The weather has been kind of crazy today. It looks like the storm has passed. We have some little waves, wind waves, sloppy, crazy. I don't know what's going on. It's kind of high tide. I'm just going down there. I'm going to check it out. It might be surfable. It might not, but we're going to try anyway. Let's go. I got some of this Headhunter sunscreen in the mail. I'm gonna put this on so I don't get burnt because I have been getting absolutely fried recently and I like protecting my skin. You should too. Let's see if this stays on. Oh yeah. That was such a sick session. Dude, I'm still covered in sunscreen. Today was a pretty monumental day for me because I have been thinking and dreaming about standing up on the stand-up bug on a wave. But as you guys know, I might be a little over the weight limit for the stand-up bug, but I was able to do it today, so I'm so excited. This is like one of the things that I've always wanted to be able to do. Even when I was like skinnier, like I never did it. I don't know why I never did it, but I always wanted to do it. So really, really psyched on that. I got to see a bunch of the Groms and some of the parents down there, and that was really cool because they're always stoked. I don't know if you have been watching this for a long time or this is your first time watching, but I was actually out of the country for a really long time. I came back to New Jersey where my mom lives, and I don't really know anybody here anymore. I think community is really important, and it has been very tough to leave my community in Taiwan and come back here to somewhere where I essentially, like, I don't really have a network of people. Thank you guys for being so nice to me. Good morning, guys. I just got up and I think it's gonna be a nice day. So I found this Whomper on the beach. Well, I didn't find it. Somebody else found it. They put it on my stuff. And turns out that they found the owner of the Whomper, so I gotta leave it outside so they can pick it up. So I'm not really sure how the surf is gonna be later. The tide is high right now. Doesn't really look surfable. Should I close the pantry? Basically, what I'm gonna do, I think, is I'm gonna just pack up the car, skateboard stuff, surf stuff, food stuff, and I'm I'm just gonna like do a day on the road. So for some of you guys who had seen my other video about the lihing moi, like the dried plums, this is it in green tea. In Taiwan, it's a popular drink. In Taiwan, it doesn't usually look this red because they don't generally use the one that has the food coloring in it to make this drink. But I got the one from Hawaii, which is usually red. It's actually produced in Taiwan, but for some reason, that's the style of how they like it in Hawaii, so they make it red. Some people ask, like, what does it taste like? If you've never tasted it before, it's like sweet, salty, sour, like a combination of those three. Maybe less salty, but like a hint of salt. All right, so a little change of plans. I think I'm taking my wave storm down because it looks pretty small. I don't have my racks in my car yet, so I have to ride my bike down. It's probably gonna be really hard to find parking. So let's go.